Hello everybody, I am Shushmita Dash, the student of Mathmona College, Chemistry Department. Today I am going to discuss about the chemistry of pyridine. Pyridine is the most important heterocyclic compound. This compound containing 6-member heterocyclic ring and containing 1 nitrogen atom.
Pyridine is a basic heterocyclic organic compound. Chemical formula with consist 5 carbon, 5 hydrogen and 1 nitrogen. This is the structure of pyridine. It consists of 5 carbon atom and each carbon atom pairing 1 hydrogen. So it consists of 5 carbon atom, 5 hydrogen atom and 1 nitrogen atom. The structure is similar to the structure of benzene, but one of the methyl group, CH group, is replaced is a nitrogen atom. The nitrogen atom a lone pair of electron which is residing outside the ring, while this 6 pi electron here, 4 pi electron and 6 pi electron delocalized inside the ring. This pi bond is formed by the partially p orbital overlapping, while this sigma bond is formed by the linear overlapping p orbital, and the orbital structure is mentioned here. This is the nitrogen atom and the lone pair is residing outside ring, and the pi electron is delocalized on the ring, and this molecule here a planar structure. As we can see, all the atoms line in the same plane, and the pi bond, these two partially filled by the overlap. These two partially filled p orbital and this p orbital line in the same plane. So therefore is delocalized inside the ring, and due to this localization the pi electron pyridine exists indifferent in this form. Physical properties of pyridine. Pyridine is a colorless liquid, but it is impure from then it is appear as yellow leopard. Its BP is 815 degrees centigrade, its MP is 8-41 degrees centigrade, its density is 0.98 gram per centimeter cube, it is water soluble liquid, it is very bad smell, it is basic in nature. Basic in nature because pyridine consists of nitrogen atom with carrying a lone pair of electron which was resigning outside the ring. It can easily take apart from the solution. So therefore this is basic in nature. Synthesis of pyridine. There are several methods synthesis by the pyridine molecule in the laboratory. I will mention some of them. At the first method is 1,5-dicarbonyl compound is treated with ammonia, we can obtain pyridine molecule. At the second method is Bowman cyclization. It's generally the alkalines are treated with nitrine molecule. We can obtain pyridine molecule. At the third method is Chimachin-Destonite rearrangement, and in this case in generally pyrrole is explained in the presence of halogenated solvent in base obtained pyridine molecule. At the fourth method is, in this are the reaction, this is one of the most important with non-organic reaction Babbage, diene and dienophile to produced from the reaction on diene and dienophile, which contain from the reaction of diene and dienophile which contain an nitrogen atom. I will obtain the pyridine molecule. At the fifth one is Bowman grade synthesis, and which the alkyne ketone and in imine is reaction to produce here obtain pyridine. And the last one is Held synthesis, and this is a multi-component reaction. For the synthesis is the pyridine, and it was the reaction of aldehyde with beta ketone in the presence of nitrogen donor ammonia to produced by the pyridine molecule.
In the first step, ammonia attack this in this carbon atom. So the pi electron shift towards the oxygen atom. When I take this intermediate, when it take a nitrogen carrying a positive charge, because the lone pair of electron on this carbon atom, this oxygen atom takes one of the hydrogen atom from this nitrogen. So in this became OH and the became NH2. The next step, NH2 became cold there and this OH eliminated here and producing the imine molecule. Now the OH negative ion takes hydrogen from here, eliminated in the form of the water molecule and neutralize the positive charge of the imine molecule, and it is mentioned by here now will be carbon-carbon double bond. Because this hydrogen is taken by the OH negative ion. So carbon-carbon double bond if formed here and it's neutralized the positive atom of nitrogen atom, and the next step, this imine attacked in this carbon-carbonyl atom and this pi electron shift toward the oxygen atom will be obtained in the intermediate. Now the intramolecular hydrogen transfer occurred. This oxygen take one of the hydrogen from this nitrogen and neutralized the positive charge, and the next step, the water molecule eliminated when this lone pair is electron come here or the OH eliminated and take, it is mentioned here. One of the lone pair of the electron formed here, the OH eliminated, and this OH take hydrogen from this nitrogen, the pyridine molecule. So in fifth step, when alpha beta unsaturated 1,5-dicarbonyl compound is prepared, ammonia obtained the pyridine molecule.
Thank you.